I don't know you, but what I do know is that you aren't who you think you are. You're just the habits that you've repeated long enough to believe. In this video, I'll be brutally honest with you, and I'll share you that certain habits or whatever you consume is actually starting to own you. So whenever you're done with watching this video, you'll be able to act in alignment with the goals that you're looking to achieve, whether that is building a lean and muscular body or becoming more mindful. So it gives you the energy that you need to scale your business or move up in your career. So yeah, welcome. I appreciate you passing by, and if you don't know me yet, I am Guillaume, and whatever I've learned in the army about discipline and my endless research about philosophy and spiritualism, I'm sharing as much as I can that could be able to help you move in your journey, because I'm an online coach that gets entrepreneurs and busy men in ideal physique as well as mindfulness. So changing the way that you see yourself or that other people view you doesn't take years, but only a certain amount of habits and what you consume on a daily basis will change you in an instant. And this is what we will discuss. Your body and your soul, as in your mind, has inputs and outputs. From the moment you wake up until you go to sleep, you expose yourself to certain types of media as well as you indulging into habits. And have you ever realized that when you watch the news, which is actually an input, you're consuming media, you feel more anxious, more fearful after watching the news? And by now you should also actually realize that if you have these moments where you overeat, eat a lot of candy, a lot of fats, a lot of bread, you start to feel like shit afterwards. Many people will ignore that, so they can still actively and consciously do these things and complain towards other people that the world is shitty, they're depressed and they have no meaning in life. But they input their body and mind with garbage food, porn, cheap dopamine, fear-induced media, and their Instagram is full of crap, or as in just TikTok, social media, doesn't matter. You also have people that just fry their brain. They look at memes, funny compilations just to distract themselves and pass on time. But when you take a look at the outcomes, as in your body, your mind, or the career and the business that you're pursuing, these outputs are suffering due to your inputs. To unlock the version of yourself that you truly admired, the only thing that you have to focus on is on habit mastery, such as workouts, mindful eating, meditations, reading to make new connections in your brain, and excluding habits that waste your time, such as doom scrolling or watching any other media that distracts you, and just getting rid of any habit that just doesn't support your goal, or that is not just moving you towards your life's purpose. So the food, media, and even people, everything that you consume becomes your identity. Even though if you don't think so, you are in full control of your life, how you look and how you feel. And your body isn't built in the gym. It's built through what you feed it physically and mentally, as well as emotionally. So you need to align the idea that clean inputs, such as good food, good thoughts, good habits, leads to clean outputs, such as a lean and muscular body, more mindfulness, more focus, more energy, and overall just better appearance. But every skipped workout, every unhealthy meal, and you just snoozing the alarm because you don't want to wake up, whatever you avoid will start to own you, therefore shape your identity and the way you look and behave. And facing this discomfort is not easy, and I understand. I used to be there multiple times, but it will give you the power to control yourself, and every problem in your life will fade away. But it will give you the power to control yourself, but once you start to avoid it, you will lose control, and every problem that you have in your life will start to grow and grow. So I hope that this video actually gave you some clarity. So when you click off, what inputs will you give your body and your mind? You have the choice, and remember that you won't suffer now, but your future self will have to face the consequences, and that too is you. If you'd like to learn more about workouts, nutrition, mindfulness, which are actually the right inputs, then you can follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description. And all right, see ya. Bye bye.